actually I built this up right here. I added this board right here. Then I noticed that the way they did this, it was crooked. They matched it up to the inside of this, so it's 3/4 of an inch off. So I added this board, brought it over into here, because then this one would have been crooked. Put a spacer in here, and then screwed this in, so we have a nice solid 2x4 right here, yellow pine. And then this is even here, or at least pretty close, so we're good now. Now we're ready to run the molding down through on each side and build it out. But this all looks good. It's all closed in nice now. It's still drying or curing. And now we can bring this down, do this corner. So I'm going to finish off the corner, and then we'll work on the door. We have to insulate the door, put the molding in, and then we can start working on this side.